Bullish Cardano cost expectations range somewhere in the range of $1.52 and $2.86 by 2030. Market investigators accept ADA could reach $1.18 by 2025. Bearish Cardano market cost expectation for 2023 is 26 cents. Cardano Presentation. The cryptographic money market is increasing constantly. Nonetheless, staying aware of this high-speed industry is certainly not a simple assignment. Hence, numerous financial backers and brokers who need to exploit the market to create huge gains are drawn to Cardano. Keep close by for a careful clarification of how Cardano cost expectation functions, its specialized investigation, and what's on the horizon for Cardano on the off chance that you're attempting to enter the Cardano exchanging market. In any case, remember that assuming you want long-haul achievement and benefits, exchanging digital currencies is a steady undertaking that calls for both persistence and examination. How about we jump profound into the blog entry to comprehend whether this coin checks out for you? What is Cardano? Cardano, frequently known as the potential Ethereum executioner, stands high in the crypto market with secure blockchain innovation, progressive brilliant agreements, and application cases. Cardano, which exchanges under the image ADA, was presented by Charles Hoskinson and utilized a proof-of-stake system, in which holders of the cash are accused of checking exchanges as a trade-off for a prize. The top cryptographic money trades permit you to take part in marking with no cost, making it an engaging choice to produce pay. Cardano's emphasis on peer-audited information and proof-based approaches in its improvement separates it from other digital currencies. Most of the cryptographic money market goes quick. However, Cardano swings the alternate way. It moves all the more leisurely and purposefully. The benefit is that it improves engineers' probability of recognizing likely dangers. Cardano's specialized investigation. Albeit a great deal of hypothesis is engaged with anticipating valuing development for Cardano and the bigger digital money market, there are a few likely significant movers for Cardano not too far off. You can follow a reasonable and truth-put-together perspective with respect to your exchanging-related choices through specialized investigation. Following are the absolute most utilized specialized pointers, moving midpoints. This particular marker is assembled utilizing Cardano costs acquired from before information. Utilizing moving midpoints, merchants can decide how the cost of Cardano has changed over the long haul and where it is moving in light of the data within reach. Relative strength file. This is the diagram to check to decide if Cardano has been overbought or oversold. You can utilize the general strength list to decide the market's tone and contribute or sell likewise. For instance, a looming downturn is regularly anticipated by a cost increment and an overbought signal, while a cost drop and an oversold signal anticipate an approaching cost gain. Moving normal intermingling disparity. Moving normal intermingling disparity, or MACD, alludes to looking at a 26 and 12 period dramatic moving normal. A dependable pointer tells you when merchants are changing from buying to selling Cardano as well as the other way around. Essential examination. Cardano's unmistakable incentive is its certain strength. They aren't expecting to catch the whole market for brilliant agreements and dApps. All things considered, they focus on building a functional decentralized monetary area for the creating scene. The Cardano settlement layer and Cardano calculation layer setup keep up with everything coordinated and adaptable regarding innovation. The Cardano group has held the record part of the blockchain unmistakable from the figure part of the blockchain because of their obligation to straightforwardness. Besides, Cardano pushes out around 700 commitments each week and arrives at roughly 100 and 150 engineers reliably dealing with the task. Because of these huge quantities of designers, the coin is probably going to surpass Ethereum in market strength and is the most effectively evolved blockchain project. Cardano current cost. Cardano is presently worth 33 cents USD. ADA has moved 0.52% as of now with an exchanging volume of $302,827,100. Cardano is presently positioned 408 among all cryptographic forms of money with a market capitalization of $12,154,261,456 USD. Our cost expectation figures utilize continuous Cardano market information and all information is refreshed live on our site. This permits us to give dynamic cost expectations in light of current market movement. Cardano Value Forecast 2023. Cardano, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astounding cryptographic forms of money to rise this year. The ADA cost gauge for 2023 expects a huge expansion in the year's final part, conceivably coming to 50 cents. Similarly as with other digital currencies, the ascent will be slow, yet no extensive drops are normal. Averaging 47 cents in cost is very aggressive. However, it is achievable sooner rather than later given expected joint efforts and headway. ADA is supposed to have a base worth of 40 cents. Cardano Value Expectation 2024. In 2024, Cardano ADA cost expectation has a lot of space for extension. Because of the likely declarations of various new associations and drives, we guess that the cost of ADA will before long outperform 84 cents. Be that as it may, we ought to hold on to check whether the ADA's general strength record emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market unpredictability, ADA will exchange with a base exchanging cost of 67 cents and a typical exchanging cost of 74 cents. Cardano Value Expectation 2025. Assuming the vertical pattern go on until 2025, it could reach $1.18 and ADA might benefit. On the off chance that the market encounters a decay, the objective may not be met. ADA is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of $1.08 and a low of $1.01 in 2025. Cardano Value Forecast 2026. In the event that Cardano effectively supports market feeling among cryptographic money fans, the ADA coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, ADA will be green in 2026. The ADA is supposed to reach and outperform its untouched high in 2026. In 2026, the virtual money will be valued at $1.52, with a base cost of $1.35 and a typical cost of $1.42. Cardano Value Expectation 2027. After some broad determining and specialized examination, we gauge the ADA cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of $1.75 by 2027, with a base cost of $1.68 anticipated before the year's end. Besides, ADA has a greatest value worth of $1.85. Cardano Value Forecast 2028. Because representing things to come organizations that are supposed to occur by 2028, we are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around $2.09. In the event that ADA figures out how to break the safe level in 2028, we could see a most extreme cost of $2.19. Neglecting to assemble the help ADA needs by 2028 could bring about a low of $2.02. Cardano Value Expectation 2029. While ADA is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to hurry association, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed. So the base exchange cost has been set at $2.36 and a yearly cost close above $2.53 in 2029. Cardano Value Forecast 2030. By 2030, Cardano will at long last outperform its past ATH values and record new cost level. The base cost could be $2.70 and possibly arrive at a most extreme value worth of $2.86, averaging out at $2.76. Cardano Value Expectation 2031. The digital money market is known to be exceptionally unpredictable, which is one of the many justifications for why cost estimating is a troublesome undertaking. Makes an honest effort to figure future price tags with accuracy, but all expectations ought not be taken as monetary exhortation and you should DYOR. In 2031, we are anticipating that digital money should have acquired reception across numerous areas. In that capacity, the greatest ADA cost in 2031 is projected to be $3.30 in case of a bull run, with a typical value level of $3.17. And